Welcome the our channel. Today we how to invest in PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in PayPal, start by researching the company. Look into its financial health, recent earnings reports, and market position. Decide on your investment strategy. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? Open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Choose a reputable platform that offers access to PayPal shares. Complete the registration process and fund your account. Once your account is funded, navigate to the search bar. Type in PayPal or its ticker symbol PayPal. Review the information provided about the stock. Check the current price, historical performance, and analyst ratings. Determine how many shares you want to buy. Consider how much money you want to invest based on your budget and strategy. Place a buy order for PayPal shares. Choose between a market order or a limit order. A market order buys at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set your desired price. Confirm your purchase and review the order details. Monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated with any news or changes related to PayPal. Consider setting alerts for significant price movements. Periodically assess your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Be prepared to hold on to your shares for a while to see potential gains. Remember, investing carries risks, so it's important to stay informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.